Okay, all the question gives you in this question is simplify. Okay, and you get given a few surds and you have to simplify them fully. So when you have two surds and the numbers are both underneath the root symbol, okay, you can just times them together. So that's 5 times 12 is 60. Then we're going to simplify root 60. So if I just write down all the factors of 60, that's 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12, 6 and 10, 7, no, 8, no, 9, no, and we've got 10. And we can clearly see that the biggest pair, which includes a square number, is this one here. So we split the root 60 into that root 4 and the root 15. We know what the square root of 4 is, okay? And that's 2. And the root 15 is an irrational number, so we leave it as root 15. So that means our final answer is 2 root 15. Okay, again, all we get asked to do is simplify. What we're going to do for this type of question is sort of ignore the 4 at the front for just a little bit. We're going to simplify just the root 32. So like we did before, factors of 32 in pairs, 1 and 32, 2 and 16, 3 no, 4 and 8, 5 no, 6 no, 7 no, and 8 we've already got. Okay, so then we've decided which pair has the biggest square number in. Well, clearly this one here has got the biggest square number in because 16 is squared. So what we can do then, okay, is split the root 32 into that root 16 and that root 2. But what we need to do now is include the 4. Okay? 4 stays the same, but the root 16, square root 16 we know is 4, and the root 2 is an irrational number, so that stays the same. And we know what 4 times 4 is, so that is 16 root 2 is our final answer. Okay, and again, very similar to before, what we're going to do first of all is we're going to multiply the numbers on the outside, so 4 times 3 is 12, and then we're going to multiply the numbers on the inside, that's going to be 32. And we have a question like before, now we're going to simplify that root 32 just on its own. So 1 and 32, 2 and 16, and 4 and 8. Okay, very similar to the other question. This is the one we want. So that's going to be 12 times root 16 times root 2. 12 stays the same, and we're going to times in that by 4 root 2. 12 times 4 we all know as 48, and the root 2 doesn't change.